Hey, what's up, banda? Ya estamos aquí en Hacienda K43. One more episode, the Baja Window to the South, Medina, Baja flavors. Now go to the kitchen and try a Mexican homemade pizza from Chef Santos. Check this out, sabor.
Okay, the other option, we got pizzas in Hacienda K43. We make like a traditional pizza in Baja. We got only 4 ingredients. I mean, like Italian sausages, we got pepperoni, jalapenos, and red onion. This rack box is the best oven for pizzas. It's a specialty for pizzas only. Well, everybody make the pizzas from these bags, but everybody make different product, you know. But we make a pizza right now. So make a little bit on top, pepperoni, sausages, jalapeno, and onions. This dough, it's like sourdough. We're sitting like 48 hours. Let's go. Let me turn around a little bit. This pizza is ready almost 2 minutes because we got like 800 degrees, so it's really fast. Okay, let me put a little bit more hot. We need to put a little bit oil with the garlic. It's almost ready. Okay, guys. It's ready. Let me cut it out right now. This is the pizza. It's a Hacienda K43. Okay, don't forget. Mario.
Wow.
Es una de nuestras especialidades.
Thank you,
Más
amigo.
en Hacienda 43.
Muchas gracias, brother. Hey guys, thank you, banda from San Diego. Now I'm drinking a mezcalita from the Tamarindo, 400 conejos de mis amigas Abby y Rocio. Super, super good. It's amazing. Now I tried the pizza too. Wow. And I say that one is the one more episode, the Medina Baja flavors and Baja Window to the South. Don't forget this Hacienda K43. Sabor.